Good morning, all of you. Students, we have started the chapter Work and Energy, in which we discuss that in science, we say that work is done by a force only when this force acting on a body produces some displacement of the body in its own direction. This is the definition of the term work in science, and we discussed about the factors affecting the work done, that is amount of force applied and displacement of the object produced by the applied force. Now for today the topic is work and energy. What is the relationship between these two? When you come home after playing, you are tired. You do not feel like doing anything. In other words, your capacity to do work has decreased. After doing some work, after playing, after doing exercises, you feel tired. You feel that there is no capacity to do work. There is no capacity or less capacity to do work. When we take some refreshment, you feel active and energetic again. In other words, your capacity to do work has increased. After taking some refreshment, your capacity to do work has increased. So we consider this capacity to do work as energy. Thus, energy is the capacity to do work. You can say that the ability or capacity to do work is known as energy. It is the energy stored in arm muscles that enables a player to throw a ball. The energy stored in a battery enables a radio to play music or a toy car to move. The player uses the energy stored in her or his muscles, whereas the radio uses the energy stored in the battery. These are different energy, different ability or capacity to do work. We regarded energy as present or stored in different forms, and now we will talk different forms of energy. The first one is mechanical energy. If we let a stone drop from a height on an earthen pot, what will happen? The pot is likely to break. Similarly, when we raise a hammer to the height of our shoulder and hit it on a plastic sheet, the sheet breaks into smaller pieces. Here, the stone and the hammer can be regarded as possessing energy due to their raised heights. This type of energy is called potential energy. We think of this as the energy stored in objects due to their position or condition. So we can say that potential energy is a form of energy which is stored in objects due to its position or condition. We can easily realize that moving objects also possess energy. For example, a fast moving ball can break the glass pane of a window, or a glass marble shot from a catapult can hurt a person. A moving ball hitting another ball at rest can cause the latter to move. Flowing water can move a log of wood from one place to another. These are the different examples in which you can see that some moving object make others to move or displace. This form of energy possessed by an object due to its motion is known as the kinetic energy of the object. So we can say that the energy which is possessed by an object due to its movement or motion is known as kinetic energy of the object. And if an object possesses either potential energy or kinetic energy or both, we say that the object has mechanical energy. That means either potential or kinetic energy or both forms of energy the object is possessing, that is known as that object has mechanical energy. That means there are two types of mechanical energy. The first one is potential energy and second one is kinetic energy. Potential energy is the energy which is due to the position or condition, which is the stored energy due to the position or condition of an object. And kinetic energy is the energy of an object which is possessed due to its motion. When the object is in motion, it has kinetic energy in it. And both these type of energy, if the object has both type of or one of it has mechanical energy. So students, there are so many forms of energy. We will discuss them one by one. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.